In this video, you're going to learn how to merge cells together in Excel, and we'll also take a look at a few things that can go wrong and how to unmerge cells if you need to. And if you want a copy of the file we use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got some salespeople and we've got their first names and last names in different columns. So the first name is in column A and the last name is in column B. But here we've got salesperson name as the heading, but we've only got it typed into cell A1. So if I move that across, you can see that it doesn't go into cell B. But if I move it back so we get columns A and B to be about the same size, the words salesperson name spills across into column B. So what we can do in this case is merge the cells. And to do that, you just go up to merge and center in the menu, click on the arrow for the drop-down menu, and then we can choose merge cells. Okay, so now if I move column A across, you can see that salesperson name is just in one combined cell, which is A1 and B1. And if I actually just change the color of the background there, you can see that more easily. Okay, so cell A1 and B1 are now combined. So let me just undo this. So we'll just go a couple of steps back until A1 and B1 are separate. And I'll just show you, you can also highlight both the cells again, go back up to the menu, and you can choose merge across. And it really just does the same thing. So if I move that across again and I highlight the background, you can see that it's done the same thing. It's merged A1 and B1 on the same row. All right, I'll just undo that again. And I'll just show you the other option there. So if we highlight them again and we go to the drop-down menu and we select merge and center, you can see that Excel center aligned the text as well as merging the cells. So let me just open that up. So I'll open up A1 and B1 a bit more like that. And I'll just change the background color again. And you can see that that text is now center aligned. Now you can actually realign the text if you want. So you could have it left or right aligned or center aligned. But if you definitely want it center aligned, basically you can choose merge and center instead of one of the other merge options. And that way you don't have to click on the alignment later on. Okay, so I'll just undo right back to the start of this again. And what I'm going to do now is just show you one of the problems with merge. So over here in C1, we've got Jan for January, D1 we've got Feb for February, and E1 we've got Mar for March. Now, if we merge any of these cells, we'll get this warning saying that merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards the other values. So if I click on OK, it's only kept January as a value because it was the upper left value, and it's actually deleted February. And if we did that across all of those cells, it will keep January, and now it will get rid of March. So if you use merge, you've just got to make sure that you don't delete information that you actually need. So I'll just undo all that again. Okay, so that's one of the shortcomings of merge. And I'll just show you a couple of other things. So we did a merge across rows before. I'm just doing this out in the blank cells. So I'll just do a basic merge there, and let's just highlight the background just so you can see. But you can also do it up and down as well. So if we go to merge cells there, you can see that those cells are merged. And you can also do it like this, so it can span rows and columns. And if we click on merge, all of those cells have become one cell. So I'll also just show you that the same problem exists if you go vertically. So let's say we try and merge these ones here, and I'll click on merge. And again, it gives us that warning. And this time it's kept 11,000 as the only value, and it's deleted the other values. And likewise, if I actually go across rows and columns and then click on merge, it's only kept the upper left value, which was 70,000. Okay, so that's how you merge. To unmerge, all you need to do is just click on the cells that you want to unmerge, go to the drop down menu and click Unmerge, and you can see that they're all separate now. So if I come over here and unmerge these ones, you can see it's unmerged the cells, but those values that it's deleted are actually gone. And that's why you've got to be careful when you're using merge, that you don't accidentally delete some information that you want. Okay, so that's how you can merge and unmerge cells in Excel.